Children, welcome to our math class for third class students. Children, today we are going to learn about numbers from 1000 to 10,000. Numbers from 1000 to 10,000. What is the topic name today, children? Yes, numbers from 1000 to 10,000. Children, in previous class we have learned numbers. Already we have learned numbers in previous class. Now we are going to learn about numbers from 1000 to 10,000. Children, do you know from 1 to 9 how many digits we have? Yes, from 1 to 9 how many digits we have? See children, here from 1 to 9 numbers is there. How many digits from 1 to 9? Observe here. Yes, only one digit is there. So what we call here? Yes, we call one digit number or single digit number. These numbers are called single digit numbers. Single digit numbers. Next, from 10 to 20. From 10 to 20, how many digits have? See here, two digits are there. 1 and 0. Two digits are there. So we call two digits number. From 10 to 20 we call from 10 to 99. From 10 to 99. 10 number to up 10 from 10 to 99 we call two digit numbers. Two digit number. Suppose 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So write like this up to 99. That is called two digit numbers. From 99 after which number will comes? Yes, 100. From 100 to 999. From 100 to 999. What we call? Yes, we call three digit numbers. We call three digit numbers. See here, three digits are there. 1, 0, 0. Three digits are there. Here also 9, 9, 9. How many digits are there, children? Have you observed? Yes, these are three digits number. So we call three digit numbers. Children, 999 after which number will comes? Do you know? Yes, 999 after which number will comes? Try to say. Yes, that is, what is the number? That is 1000. How many digits are there in 1000? Count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many digits are there all? Yes, 4 digits. So we call 4 digit number. 4 digit number. Okay, 1000 is the 4 digit number. Why we call 4 digit number? Here 4 digits are there. That's why we call 4 digit number. Okay. Children, see here. 1 is the smallest one digit number. 1 is the smallest one digit number. 9 is the biggest one digit number. 9 is the biggest one digit number. So we add 1 to 9. So we add 1 to the 9. What we get? Yes, we get 10. What we get, children? We have to get 10 number. This is 2 digits. This is 2 digits. In this number have 2 digits. So this is called smallest 2 digit number. Smallest 2 digit number. Next, 99 is the biggest 2 digit number. 99 is the biggest 2 digit number. We add 1 from this 99 number. We add 1 to the 99 number. What we get? Yes, we get 100. We get 100. See here, how many digits are there in 100? 3 digits. So we call 3 digits number. Smallest 3 digit number. 100 is the smallest 3 digit numbers. Next, 999. Biggest 3 digit number. What is the biggest 3 digit number? 999. So we add 1 to the 999. what we get? Yes, we have to get 1000. Smallest 4-digit number. 1000 is the smallest 4-digit number. Okay, once again. What is the smallest 1-digit number? Yes, 1. What is the biggest 1-digit number? 9. What is the smallest 2-digit number? 10. What is the biggest 2-digit numbers? Yes, 99. What is the smallest 3-digit numbers? 100. What is the biggest 3-digit numbers? 999. What is the smallest 4-digit number? Yes, 1000. Have you understood, children? Next. Children, next topic, place value and face value. Place value and place value. Do you know what is the place value and what is the face value? Yes. First, place. First, we discuss about place only, not place value. Place only. What is place? Yes. Place means we say just place of the digit. Place means we say just place of the digit. For example, we take number 5283. 5283. How many digits are there in this number? Yes, 4 digits. We take 3. We take 3 number. Its place is ones. Its place is ones. 5283. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place, and thousands place. We take 3. Its place is ones place. Next, we take 8 number. It is in tens place. We take 2 place. 2 number. It is in hundreds place. Next, we take 5 number. This is in thousands place. That is about place. Place means we say just place of the digit. See here, the 3 is in ones place. 8 is in tens place. 2 is in hundreds place. 5 is in thousands place. Next, then what about face value? What is the face value? Yes, face value of a digit is always the value itself. What is the face value, children? What is the face value? Face value means the face value of a digit is always the value itself. That means take this number also. We take 3 number. The face value of 3 is 3 itself. The face value of 3 is 3 itself. Don't change number here in face value. Don't change the number in face value. We take 8. The face value of 8 is 8 itself, not 80. 8 only. Face value of 2 is, say, face value of 2 is 2 itself. 2 itself. Face value of 5 is 5 itself. Okay, this is the face value. So wherever the digits are, without taking the places, we decide the face value. We decide the face value. Next, coming to the place value. What is the place value? Yes, the place value means the face value multiply by face. The face value multiply by place. It gives us the place value. That means, for example, see here, 5283 is there. When we take 3, 3 is in ones place. So 3 times of 1 multiply by 1. 3 into 1 is equal how much? What is the place value? 3. 3 1 is 3. Next, we take 8 number. We take 8 face value. Face value of 8 is 8. And the place value of 8 is, which place is in 8? Tens place. Multiply by 10. 8 tens are 80. 8 tens are 80. Now we take 2. 2 is in hundreds place. Multiply by 100. 2 into 100 is equal? Yes, 200. Next we take 5. 5 is in which place, children? 5 is in thousands place. 5 is in thousands place. No, so we multiplied. So we have to multiply with 1000. 5 into 1000 how much? Yes, 5000. These are the place values. 3, 80, 200, 5000. These are the place values or face values? Yes, these are the place values. Okay children, have you understood how to write place value? Yes. What is the place value of 3? 3. What is the place value of 8? 80. What is the place value of 2? Yes, 2 is in hundreds place. So, place value is 200. What is the place value of 5? 5 is in thousand place. So, the place value is 5000. What is the face value of 3? Not place, face value. 3 itself. What is the face value of 8? Yes, 8 itself. What is the face value of 2? 2 itself. What is the face value of 5? Yes, 5 itself. This is the face value. Children, in face value never changes. Value in face value, digit never changes. Okay, in face value digit never changes. So place value changes. So place value changes as per the place. As per the place. Have you understood? In face value digit never changes. So place value changes as per the place it is kept. Okay children. Next. See here children. Place value and face value. The place value of a digit is a numeral is its value according to its place in the place value chart. See here example 5283. Thousands place in 5, 2 in hundreds place, 8 in tens place, 3 is in ones place. The number name of the number is written as follows. How to write the number name? 5 is in thousands place. So 5000, 2 in hundreds place, 200 and tens and ones. 80 plus 3 how much? 83. This number can be depicted on the abacus as shown. See here abacus scale also there. How many beats in thousands place? Yes, 5. How many beats in tens place? Sorry, hundreds place? Only 2. How many beats in tens place? 8 is there. How many beats in ones place? Only 3 is there. Okay children. Next. Place value completed. Now we are going to discuss about predecessor and successor. What is the successor children? Yes, successor means, children, what is successor? Yes, successor means after numbers. Successor means after number. Means the number which comes next to that. The number that comes next to that. Next one more than, adding one are related to successor. See here. Already we have learnt about successor. Successor means after numbers. After numbers. And which comes next to that. The number which comes next to that. Here also one more than, adding one. These are related to successor. These are related to successor. For example, we take 5 number. What number we take children? Yes, we take 5 number. What is the number that comes after 5? What is the after number? Yes, 5 after 6. So 6 is the successor of 5. So 6 is the successor of 5. How can we get 6? Children, how can we get 6? 6 is the number that comes next to 5. 6 is the number that comes next to 5. So 6 is the number. 6 is the successor number. When we add 1 to this 5, when we add 1, suppose take one finger, already we know that adding 1 is also related to successor. Take one finger, here which number is there? 1. 5 after 6, what we get? 6 number we have to get. So that is the 6 is the successor number. So 6 is the number 1 more than 5. 1 more than 5. So next 5 completed. Next we take 2 digit number 15. 15 after which number will comes, children? Yes, 15 after 16. 3 digit number 890. 890 after which number will comes? Yes, 891. 891 is the successor number. 891 is the successor number. Next 4 digit number 999. 999 after which number will comes? Plus 1 add. What we get? Take one finger. 999 after which number will comes? Yes, 1000. See here, 999. We add 1 to this number. We are adding 1 to 990 number. Take one finger. 9 after what number will we get? 10. Here 10, here 0. Next, take one finger. 9 after 10. Here 1, here 0. Take one finger. 9 after 10. Which number will comes here? Yes, 1000. 999 after which number will come, children? 1000. How to get 1000? Yes, by adding 1. By adding 1 we get 1000 number. Children, we have completed about successor. Now we are going to discuss about predecessor. Predecessor means, children? Yes, predecessor means before numbers. Predecessor means before numbers. See here, previous number, 1 less than, subtracting 1. These are also related to predecessor. Not only before number, previous number, 1 less than, subtracting 1, all are related to predecessor. For example, we take one number. We take 5. For example, we take 5. Predecessor. What is the predecessor number of 5? Try to say the answer. Yes, predecessor of 5 is 4. Predecessor of 4 is, sorry. See here, predecessor of 5 is 4. 2 digits number. Predecessor of 89 number is, predecessor of number 89 is, yes, 88. This is the predecessor number. Predecessor of 540. What is the before number of 540? What is the predecessor number here? Yes, 540 before which number will come, children? 39. 40 number, which number will comes before? Yes, 39. Predecessor number of 540 is 539. Next, 4 digits. We take 4 digits number. Predecessor of 583 is, predecessor of 5863 is, which number will comes here? What is the before number of 5863? Say, try to say. Yes, here 3 is there. Which number will comes before 3? 2. Which number will comes before 3? 2. 5862. Predecessor of 5863 is which number? 5862. Okay, children. This is about successor and predecessor. Successor means, yes, after. Predecessor means before. After and before numbers. See, children, we have learnt about successor, predecessor, place value and face value. No? Now some exercises are given here. Try to write here. Read the heading first. Write the next 10 numbers. Write the next 10 numbers. Next means predecessor or successor? Yes, next means successor. Next means successor. Now we have to write here successor numbers. Here, which number given? 1001. Next 10 numbers we have to write here. After 1001, after which number will comes? Yes, 1002. Here 1 is there. 1 after which number will come, children? 2. 1002. After 1002, what we get? After 1002, what we get? Try to say. Already you know the numbers. Yes, 1002 after we get 1003. After 1003, what we get? Yes, 1004. 1000 after 1004 after which number will comes? Yes, 1005. 1005 after which number will comes? Yes, 1006. So like this, right. 1006 after 1007. 1007 after 1008. 1008 after 1009. 1009 after 9 after which number will comes? Yes, 1010. Here 2 zeros are there. Here only 1 zero. Observe here, children. Don't put 2 zeros here. 1010 after which number will comes? Yes, 1011. These are the pattern. These are the next 10 numbers of 1001. Next, which number given here? 1753. 1753 after which number will comes? Yes, 1754. 54 after which number will comes? Yes, 55. 1755. 1756. 1757. 1758. 1758, what we get? Yes, we have to get 1759. After 1759, which number will comes? Yes, 59 after which number will come, children? 1760. 1760 after 1761. 1762. 1763. So try to write like this of next 10 numbers. Children, see here remaining numbers are there. These are homework for you. These numbers are given. I will give homework for you. You have to try to get the answer. Take a book and enter these numbers in your book and try to write the answers. Which answers you have to write? Yes, successor numbers. Next 10 numbers. What given number here? You have to write next 2 numbers of that number. Next, one more activity given here. See, write the 5 preceding number. Preceding. What is the preceding? Preceding means predecessor or before numbers. Predecessor means before numbers. See here, which number given here? 2280. 2280 number. Which number will comes before? See here, which number is there in ones place? 0. 0 before which number will comes? Yes, 9. 9 here. Here 8 is there. Which number will comes 8? 7. Don't change these 2 numbers. We have to write like that only. 22. Okay. 0 before 9. 8 before 7. 79. 79 after 80. 80 is there or not? Yes. 2279 is the predecessor number. Of which number will comes 2279 before number? Try to say before number. Yes, 2279 before which number will comes? 8. 2278. Next, try to say the answer, children. 2278 before which number will comes? 2277. Next, 2277 before which number will comes? 2276. 2276. 2276 before which number will comes? Yes, 2275. You have to write like this. Okay. See here, so many examples are given. This one also you have to enter these numbers in your notes and try to write the answers. Here preceding numbers is there. Write only preceding numbers. Don't write after numbers. Okay, children. Children, don't forget these all do in your notebooks. Do all these problems in your notes and try to write the answers. Thank you.